help you draw some letters, okay? Okay, ready?
T A C O.
What's that spell?
Echo.
Very good.
A C O. Echo.
Very good.
O C A D. Echo.
Can you look at Mama? Annika, look at me. Annika, look at me. Say taco.
Echo.
Okay, do you know any more words?
Let's not push it here.